is Teri and I am Education and Training Assistant at the Merrill Institute. The benefits that they receive, in my opinion, is being taught by the best of the best instructors. These guys have got several years of experience as instructors as well as welders in the industry themselves. The certification that they receive from going through the program is their AWS Sense Level 1 certification. Another benefit they have is that they're being taught inside of a live manufacturing facility. Our school is housed, a portion of the factory is where our school is housed. We have state-of-the-art equipment. We keep our class sizes small so that our students do receive a lot of one-on-one instruction, and they're being taught a lot of information in the 12-week program that they're going through. Again, to be taught by the best of the best instructors. They're going to receive their AWS Sense Level 1 certification. We also assist them with job placements once they complete the program. In my opinion, they have to be 100% dedicated to this program. There is no slacking off. They need to be here on time every single day, and they need to put, again, 100% into the program to be successful at it. We teach them a lot of soft skills, how to be good employees. So we are very, our attendance policy and our absentee policy is pretty strict and can affect their grade. So, again, we're trying to teach them to be good employees. The Merrill Institute hosts a reverse career fair for each one of their classes that we host 4 times a year. We invite several companies, about 125 of them, to attend our reverse career fair where they get the opportunity to sit down one-on-one and interview each one of our students. It's a great opportunity for potential employers as well as our students. I really believe that our reverse career fair contributes to our 97% employment rate. Our students typically are on the job working within a week to 2 weeks after they graduate from the program. I think what we offer here is way beyond and above, and not just the reverse career fair, but the quality of instruction that they receive, the type of equipment that they work on, the facility that that we have here. I think definitely. Of course, the welding skills, so they become proficient, skilled welders, but we also work with their soft skills. Again, going back to we want to have good employees out into the workforce. There's a lot of scholarships available for skilled trades. On our website, under the student tab, we have several different types of scholarships. The American Welding Society actually has 3 different types of scholarships. There's a lot of foundations that give away money to skilled trades. The state of Michigan has funding, and each one of the opportunities that are on our website are actually links either to an application or to the actual website where the scholarship is being offered. They do receive their AWS Sense Level 1 certification, so they are nationally certified welders, and they're actually ready for the workforce. The Merrill Institute does have a second side, which is our accredited test facility. It's the ATF. A student going through our 12-week program has the opportunity to come back within a year of graduating from the program to go through the accredited test facility and gain another certification. They have to pick the process of their choice. If they are employed somewhere working with MIG, the MIG process, then they're going to want to come back in here and actually take that ATF in the MIG process. Jason North, who is our lead instructor, he has a CWI, he has a CWE, his CCER, he is ASME level 2, and then our Trent, our other instructor, he is actually going for his CWI in May. It helps prepare them for the future. We'll get them the skill that they need, and then we also assist them, with getting a welding position and getting them out into the workforce. I would say this is the best job I've ever had. The rewards from watching our students come in here, they come in on several different levels. We have students that come into this program that have absolutely no experience whatsoever. We have some students that come in, they played with welders with their dad or grandpa in the backyard. We have some students that come into this program that have a couple years of like metal or something in high school. So it ranges from all over the place. So I see a lot of frustrated faces the first couple of weeks. But the aha moment that happens after the first couple of weeks is very rewarding. Watching them build that confidence and the skill. And then once they graduate, and then hearing from the students as far as where they've landed their welding positions, what they're doing, their success. Their success is our success. And I get to hear a lot of that. I love hearing their stories. Basically, that's the gravy of my job, I feel, is once the students have left the program and then are now out in the workforce.